Storm reporting live for WTGW with a live weather alert. Now, a couple of days ago, this area got about 6 inches of rain, and as of Saturday afternoon, the rivers have still not crested. The water's still flowing in. Let's send it on up to TGW Skycam and take a look. As you can see, this whole back corner is flooded. They're pulling people out. The question on everybody's mind is, how deep is the water, Daddy? It's 5 feet high and rising. One thing you see a lot of out here, man, is cool four-wheelers, dude. Chase, you've got one. Tell me a little bit about it, technical.
Well, I got a Honda 420 Rancher. I got the gear reduction, snorkels, 29.5-inch Outlaws. It's ready to go. It's a Honda, that's the main thing.
You've done some work on the rear end and the bottom end and all that on that thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's more important than proper inflation pressure, right? I mean, you want to have the right inflation.
That's right. If you don't have the right inflation, you'll be floating everywhere.
Dude, you can't be having that, right? I mean, but you don't have to worry about sinking with that, fortunately. It's important to have some flotation devices along for the ride as well.
You're right, you're right.
There you go, there you go. Thanks, man. You keep having fun, all right?
You too.
So, Twitty, earlier this afternoon, man, you were out there killing it, dude, as you always do. I've seen it time and time again, but it never gets old. I love it. It's like the first time, but what I want to do is I want to paint a picture for the people, because the people want to know, how is it from Twitty's perspective? Paint it for us, brother. You're in there, hitting the gas, tearing it up, dude, spare no detail. Tell us all about it. Walk us through it, if you would.
Hit the gas, laid it over.
Awesome, awesome. You painted quite a picture.
Thank you.